Hey, how's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Magic Doge. Alright, let's get started. First off, you guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet on your guys' mobile device. Once you guys do that, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go on your guys' web browser. You guys are going to want to go on this website called CoinGecko. We're going to go ahead and type on the search bar. Go ahead and type in Magic Doge. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And on this website, it basically tells you the statistics of the coin and how it's been doing for its lifetime duration, or for the past. You guys can go ahead and see how it's been doing for the past month, past 2 weeks, past 24 hours, up to the past hour. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and scroll back up. Right where it says show info, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. Alright, so right where it says contract, you guys are gonna see two little boxes right next to the wolf. We're gonna go ahead and click on that. It's gonna go ahead and copy it to your guys' device. That's basically the contract address for the coin. Next, we're gonna go on this other website called PancakeSwap. On this website, this is basically a site where we're going to go ahead and do our transactions, where we're going to go ahead and convert one of our coins into this Magic Doge. Alright, we're going to go ahead and click on Connect Wallet. Once we do that, I'm going to be connecting the Trust Wallet. But you're guys are going to see that you're going to be given three options. You're guys are going to see Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. Since I'm going to be using the Trust Wallet, we're going to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect instead. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet, on the trust icon. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to send us to our app, and we're going to go ahead and click on confirm. Once we do that, we can go back to our web browser, and then on the bottom you guys are going to see four options. It's going to say trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on trade. Alright, so another way you guys can tell that your guys' wallet has been connected, you guys can see where it says balance for BNB. It shows that my balance is also on there. Or another way, you guys can see on the top right corner, you guys can see like a little wallet icon. It's going to have a little scroll down button, and it's going to say disconnect. That's another way you guys can tell that it's been connected. So right where it says selected currency, I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the address that I copied in earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Magic Doge. There you go. So right where it says from, we're going to go ahead and type in the amount. Let's say I want to type in 0.00101, and that's roughly I want to say a little over 36 billion coins. So once we do that, we're gonna make sure that the slippage tolerance for this one is gonna be set at 15. If this is your guys' first time doing this, it's usually gonna appear as 1%, and normally the transaction won't go through. It's not enough. So you guys are gonna want to go ahead and type in 15. Alright, so from there we're gonna make sure everything looks correct, which everything looks good, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and click on swap. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on confirm swap. Wait a second. We're going to go ahead and open the Trust Wallet, open, and there you go. So now it's telling us information about the transaction that we're going to be doing. So it says the network fee, it's charging us $2.20 to convert it, which is pretty cheap compared to Ethereum, because Ethereum, it can go anywhere between $50 to like $600. I've even seen one time I've actually gotten to see Ethereum fees up to $800, which is pretty pricey. And the reason why that's going up is because the more the Ethereum coin goes up, the higher their fees go. But the BNB is usually cheap. So I already own it, so I'm not going to go ahead and click on confirm. But let's say if I purchase confirm, it would take me back to my main page. And since I already own it, I'm going to scroll down. That way you guys can see it. Magic Doge. There, I own 10 billion coins. But usually when you guys purchase it for the first time, you guys will not see it on your guys' account here. You guys would have to go on the top right corner where it says those two little toggle icons, and we would have to type it in manually. And as you guys can see, mine's toggled on. I just toggled it off. So this is how it would appear on your guys' account. You guys would not be able to see it. So in order for you guys to be able to see it on your guys' account, you guys would have to type it in, like I said, manually, Magic Doge, and then toggle it back on. And if I refresh it, you guys will be able to see it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So no, not Nano Dogecoin, Magic Dogecoin. Where is it at? So yeah, this was a video of how to purchase Magic Dogecoin. I hope this video was useful. If you guys have any questions or comments, you guys can go ahead and leave them down below in the comments section. If you guys are interested in wanting to learn how to purchase another cryptocurrency, go ahead and leave it down below in the comments. And yeah, this was everything crypto, and I hope this video was useful, and I also hope you guys had a good one. Have a good